This video is going to show a new feature of Zoom that allows auto-transcription and subtitles in your meetings. So this should be enabled on all accounts by default, but you want to double check in case it doesn't show up in your meetings. You can go to the web portal at center.zoom.us, go to your profile, and under In Meeting Advanced, scroll down to closed captioning, and the button next to Enable Live Transcription Service to show transcript on the side panel in meeting should be checked. And if not, go ahead and check it. And then once you go to your meeting, you should then see a live transcript button at the bottom. If you don't see it at the bottom, then it'll be under More if your screen isn't wide enough. And then all you need to do is click the live transcript button, and you should have the same options here to assign people to type or use a third-party token. But then you have this option to enable auto-transcription. When I enable auto-transcription, you can now see that it is auto-transcribing everything that I say. You also have options. If you click on the little arrow, you can hide the subtitles. You can view full transcript, which will pop up on the side. And for each person that speaks in the meeting, it will put the transcription over to the right. Then you can also save that. You also have more options. So if you go to subtitle settings, it'll open up your app options, and you can make the font bigger or smaller if you need it to look a little different. And then you can turn that off. You can close the full transcript, hide the subtitle, or disable it completely. And when you record this, those will be recorded automatically. And then if you upload those to OneDrive or Ensemble, those will be available as well. Hopefully this is helpful. We've been waiting for this a long time.